This is my Navage Nasal Irrigation system. I've had it for about a week and I thought I'd share my thoughts. I've used a neti pot for many, many years because of sinus issues, and my mother-in-law was recently raving to me about how much better this was. To use it, I'm going to put some pre-boiled or distilled water in my neti cup. You could also use a measuring cup for this. This is just to warm it up. You want to make sure it's about room temperature. If it's too hot or too cold, it is in no way comfortable. You're going to fill the top of the Navage to the fill line. There's a little mark on the side. It makes it very easy to know exactly how much to put in there. And then you're going to take one of the salt pods, put it in that top part, and then close the lid, pressing down on that salt pod. It's going to release the solution into the water, and I rock the Navage back and forth to mix it. On the side of the nasal attachment, there are 2 arrows. That's going to let you know the direction of the water flow. You're going to hold the Navage in your nasal passages, holding it horizontally while pressing the power button on the side. Once you're done, you can clean it with hot soapy water. I will say it's a weird sensation when you start. You do get used to it. You want to make sure to hold your mouth open and breathe through your mouth while you're doing it, and try to stay relaxed. It's kind of hard when it's new and a sensation you're not used to, but I have to say after using it for a week, my nasal passages feel a lot clearer and I feel like I can breathe a little bit easier. So it's worth it to go through that uncomfortable sensation for this result. Now, as well as sinus issues, I also have sleep issues, and I have to say in the last week I've been sleeping a whole lot better. Hopefully it's because of the clear sinuses, and time will tell if that's true, but it is a really nice side effect. You'll notice as I'm cleaning it, not everything went into that sink full of water. I put the top water compartment as well as the bottom water reservoir and the nasal attachments and the thing that they attach to. The middle part, the white part that the batteries go in, that cannot be submerged into water. So I just rinsed the top part where the salt pod came in, and then I rinsed the bottom part where the water comes out. You could also use a wet cloth to do that. The rest of the blue parts and the nasal attachments, they can go into the warm soapy water to clean. I've been loving my Navage so far and definitely recommend it.